Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to talk about accounting and bookkeeping for green and sustainable business industry. This will be the few topics that we're going to cover in today's video. So guys, let's start with the revenue and sales tracking. In revenue and sales tracking, you will need to monitor the total revenue and the sales broken down by the product or the service category that you've been providing. Okay, this will help you to gauge the overall financial health of the business. Next is cost of goods sold. In this, you will need to track the cost of producing a good or a cost of producing a service, or if the service you are providing, a cost of service, and especially if there is a sustainable sourcing of the production practices involved, and you have to monitor all these things, and you'll need to track all the cost of these things. Okay, so this will help you to calculate your gross profit margin. Next is operating expenses. In this, you will need to keep an close eye on the operating expenses that you have been happening in your business. That can be your rent, your utilities, your wages that you are paying to your employees, and your marketing cost, and any other overhead costs that have been happening in your firm. You need to analyze the trends to identify the cost saving opportunities in that. Next, we'll talk about cash flow management. In cash flow management, you will need to maintain a cash flow statement to track the inflows and the outflows of the cash. You will need to ensure that there is enough liquidity to cover all the expenses that are happening in your business. Next, we'll talk about investment in sustainability. In this, you will need to track the expenses related to the sustainability initiatives, such as your renewable energy projects, your eco-friendly material sourcing, your waste reduction programs. You will need to measure all the impacts and the bottom lines of these things. Next is credit card and incentives, tax credit and incentives, sorry. You will need to keep record of any tax credits, rebates, or any incentives related to the green and sustainable practices. This can significantly impact the financial picture of your business. Okay. Now let's talk about debt and financing. In debt and financing, you will need to monitor your loans, your line of credits, and any other form of financing things that are happening in your business. You will need to keep track of all the interest rates and repayments and the repayment schedules. You have to do the scheduling and timely repayment of all the debt and debt thing. Next, we'll talk about inventory management. In inventory management, if your business is having a physically inventory, then you have to reconcile your recorded inventory to the budgetary inventory that you are having to see if there is any error happening in your inventory or not. And also, this will help you to reduce your waste or overstocking or outstocking of the products. Next is customer and supplier relationships. In this, you will need to maintain a good record of a customer-supplier relationship. You will need to do some regular what can we say? Some regular communication with your suppliers. You need to have a good supplier relationships that can often result in your better sustainability related deals. Next, we'll talk about employee benefits and training. In this, you will need to record the expenses related to the employee benefits, such as your health plan or sustainability, training programs, employee well-being, and any knowledge that impact the overall sustainability efforts of your business. So every industry has some key performance indicators that shows the growth and the track success of that particular industry. Here is some of the key performance indicators that shows the track success of this particular industry. The first indicator is carbon footprint reduction indicator. This will measure the reduction in your greenhouse emission as it will result into the sustainability initiative. Next is energy efficiency. This will track the improvements in the energy usage that you have done and the adoption of the renewable energy sources. Next is waste reduction indicator. This will monitor the reduction in the waste production of the increasing recycling rate. Next, we'll talk about water conversion. In water conversion indicator, this will measure the water that you are using. Okay, the usage of your water has been reducing and you are improving in the water management practices. Next, we'll talk about sustainability certifications. This indicator will keep track of the certifications like LEED or Fair Trades or any other certification like this. So that can help you to increase your business reputation. And next is the customer engagement indicator. This indicator will monitor the customer satisfaction and loyalty related to your sustainability efforts. Next, we'll talk about employee engagement. This will monitor and measure the employee satisfaction and involvement in your sustainable practices. And lastly, return on sustainability. Last is return on sustainability investment. This indicator will evaluate the financial return on the investment in green and sustainable practices. So that was all for the today's video. Thank you guys and have a nice day.